So may we request Ms. Dulce Carandang, the assistant of AOR program, to officially close this conference. So we call on our closing speaker to deliver a message of gratitude and encouragement as we carry these lessons forward. Ma'am?
Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Alam ko ako inyong malaking hadlang sa tanghalian, kaya i-explain ko na po yung closing remarks. This morning is a wonderful and powerful way to close the chapter. Together in one room in the faces, voices, and stories that build this journey from the ground up. As we mark the conclusion of the R&D project, what resonates most is not the milestones that we reach, but the lives that we touch. Alam po ninyo, una kong narinig yung kwento ni Salha noong March, nung dumating yung aming Deputy Director General. Sa totoo lang po, bilib na bilib kami sa kwento ni Salha kasi siyempre napaka-inspiring po niya. At kanina, nung narinig ko si Asma, si Rahma, lahat ng kababaihan na kasama natin, they truly are inspiring. In every community garden, in every youth entrepreneur, and in every woman-led association, we now see stronger than ever before a promise of resilient livelihoods and a good future with dignity. Let me echo what many of you have referred to earlier. This is actually not the end. It is just a handover to the communities that we work with. It is a handover to the local governments who have been so committed to the work that we've started 3 years ago. And obviously, it is a handover to the women and youth who have stayed committed to all of it, and despite all the challenges that they face. The FAO, and along with our sister agencies in the United Nations, we stand in support of you. We will always be coming up and showing up whenever there is a need for our presence. So we need for everybody to keep telling the stories of your success, the stories that are inspiring to others, because we know that it will inspire more people to join our work. To our partners from the government of Australia, from IFAD, their support has been very much appreciated, not just because of the funding or the aid, but more because of the leadership that they have shown. To our partners in BARD, the LGUs, the ministries, and the community-based organizations, you are in fact the real drivers of change. The integration of the community-based priorities into local plans, the mentoring of the indigenous peoples own, and the support for women-friendly spaces and halal-certified products. These are all bold steps towards systems that serve everyone and do not leave anyone behind. We would like to thank our brothers and sisters from the media who are here. Please help us continue to tell the stories of the women and youth that you've met today. And then of course, let us encourage each other so that we continue to build what we have started 3 years ago. Let us ensure that we look back at the moment to remember, not as an ending, but as a challenge to continue and to sustain the good things that we've started. Daghang salamat po. Mabuhay ang kababaihan at kabataan ng Bangsamoro. Wabillahi taufiq.
And that concludes this morning's event. So but before we go on our separate ways, may we request everyone to please visit and take time Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa ating lahat.